Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to get back missing display graphic driver in device manager. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to click on your computer, this PC, right click over on it and then click here, manage. When you click manage, you will find there will be screen appear which is computer management. Simply in this section choose device manager. In the right side you will see your computer. Simply put your mouse over there and then go on your device action and you click here add legacy hardware. And you will see there will be new screen appear. Simply click on next and then choose here install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Click here next and it will give you common hardware type in your computer. I have issue with my display driver, so I'm going to choose here display adapter and then I'm going to click here next, and in the left side you will see the manufacturer, your graphic card or your display driver. So my one is Intel Corporation. Most of you maybe have same things, and my model is Intel UHD graphic 620. So simply choose that and click here next and click here next, and it's going to be automatically install software. It will take little bit time, so you have to be patient until install or download this process. You can see it's saying completely this hardware was installed in my computer. Now I'm going to click here finish, and lab you will see there is a one error or something appear. Right click over it and then click here update driver, and then you will see how do you want to search for driver. So I'm going to choose here search automatically for update driver software, and it's going to be automatically search the latest version from over the internet, and after that it's going to be automatically installed. You can see it's saying already installed. So this is how you can easily fix if your Windows display driver is missing from device manager. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.